I'm so late for work. See what an ECG machine looks like. They are not ready. They are not ready. Enter body. All the girls them go shake their body. Go shake their body. Oh, you have on that Let's be going. Let's be going. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum. Queen and princess, as green as the chair. This is someone that is stealing her. It's even more. Hi guys, so I'm so sorry I've not said anything throughout this vlog. Like, I have this bad habit of waiting for interesting things to happen before I actually start vlogging. So I never really plan these weekly vlogs. Like, when interesting things just start happening, that's when I start vlogging. So I'm so sorry. So today is my friend's birthday actually, and we're about to go out. You'll see my full fit later. Like, I don't know if you can see it from here. We're about to go out to Oshun Mall because I mean she lives in Lagos, so she has never been in Oshobo before. So we're going to Oshun Mall. Like, we're just going to go and have fun. So I'll see you guys soon. Don't worry, at least from tomorrow I promise I'll be more engaging. At least I know that now I've started vlogging, so I'll pay more attention. Prince, oh my, you look so pretty, my God. They are not ready. They are not ready. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum.
A few moments later.
Irene, can you see me?
Yeah. They are ballers, they're not mechanics. Oh yeah, now, oh yeah, leave now, move. Oh yeah, no, don't worry. Am I really sure? Yes. My hair is all scattered. Let's see my new purchase. Hey, baby girl. Please turn around. I don't want to see your front. Hi my people, today is Sunday. I am literally like outside my room because my friends are in my room, so I actually feel shy vlogging in front of people, like talking to you guys, but I'll get over it, I promise. So today is Sunday afternoon. This is like past 12, and you guys, yesterday, like, I came back so tired. Went to like 3 locations yesterday. My friend actually saw the merry-go-round in my previous vlog, my living in a delicate city episode 1. So she said she must go on the merry-go-round when she comes here. So that's why we had to take her, and she insisted that we climbed it with her because she was like scared and stuff. So today has just been a chill day. I'm feeling very tired, and I was even in a bad mood in the morning, but I've watched some nice YouTube videos and some movies, so I am better, praise the Lord. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog anything today because nothing is really happening, just like food, movies, YouTube and vibes. I'm having space issues as well, so let's see what we can do. I'll do my best. I just said let me say hi to you guys. I hope you have an amazing Sunday. Okay, so I'm going to go back, take a nice bath. Bye guys.
Give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all you, give me all you need, give me all.
Hi guys. So I'm so late for work. So I'm at work. I've not even had a chance to talk to you today. You know today is Monday. Work is like really busy. So yeah, I just finished doing like I think 4 ECG tests. See what an ECG machine looks like in case you've never seen one before. These are the straps and stuff. Yeah, and that is the bed for patients. This mirror is sure dirty, but I'm not even showing you guys my outfit today. I'm when I get home. I'm so tired again.
I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time.
Hi everyone, good morning. This should be like about 1:30 a.m. I've just finished uploading a new video on my channel. Today's Tuesday. Like I couldn't even end yesterday's vlog well because I came back. I was so exhausted, you guys. I literally slept till past 12. Okay, I woke up around 11:50 something, but then here I am. I had to upload the video because I wanted to use like night bundle. The way data has been running down these days, like I don't understand. So now I'm using night bundle to upload my YouTube videos, and I've just uploaded one. So if you haven't watched it, make sure you go and watch it. It's a very short, nice video that will help you to learn 1 or 2 things. So I'm about to read my Joyce Meyer book. I've been reading this book for a very long time because I like to take it slow, like chapter by chapter. So, and then I'm going to pray as well because things always go better when I pray. Then I have free time, so why not just talk to God in the free time? Then I'll try and sleep back so that I'll wake up early tomorrow. So that I'll wake up early later on in the day and go to work. So bye guys. Good night.
6.5 hours later.
Thinking of all the things that we did, you did something. Shit like it don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. But no one else around. Got me taking a step on the wild side. Cutting all ties. With them all the guys. Let you
12 seconds later.
your dreams come true. And I wonder if you know what it means. What it means.
Good morning, my loves. So I did the blood sugar test last week. I'm going to go and get the results today at the hospital. I'm also going to see a physiotherapist because of my X-ray results. So yeah, I'll do my best to carry you guys along. I just finished cooking because I also take food to work. And yeah, so have a nice day while I'm having a nice day. Bye.
And I wonder if you know what it means. What it means. Find your dream. And I wonder. And I wonder if you know.
So guys, this is a towel filled with ice blocks and it is so painful. I actually prefer the heat. Oh my god. So you guys, I have a confession to make while I'm doing the dishes this morning. So you guys, I have a very stupid phobia. It's like, you know, I also do outfit diaries and then every day I show you like the outfits I'll be wearing to work. So I'm just like, what if my clothes finish? You know, like I did not pack all my clothes in this place. So like, what if my clothes finish? And you guys end up seeing all my clothes and then I run out of like outfits to show you guys. that you've not seen before or something. Ha! Painful. And then I'm never going to wear that dress to work again, the dress I wore yesterday, because it goes from a knee length dress to a very, very fast. Like it goes from a knee length dress to a mini dress very, very fast, and I had to like pull it down at work. Very uncomfortable, but beauty is painful. I endured it. Today is CBS day, people. I'm going for CBS by 9, and I'll try and take you guys along with me. So have a nice day. Cleaned. Now before I start. Just to clear the seat for you. Okay. I'm at the dentist. So guys, this is my final appointment for fluoride coating. So after this I'm going home. The dentist just gave me this to be taken, to be rubbing on my teeth because I have sensitive teeth. So after this, I'm going home. Hi guys, I'm late for work, so let's be going. See you. I want to rant. Fluoride coating is the most annoying. I mean, people are always angry and people are always scared to go to the dentist because of pain. But fluoride coating is on another level. It's not painful though, but fluoride, they'll use fluoride and like coat your teeth. It is very, very disgusting. Like the taste is like, and it's pink. If you see the bottle, it looks like something that will be sweet. By the time they put it in your mouth, you know that it tastes like dreams and nightmares, like bad dreams. Like that's actually what it tastes like. It's like ice cream that they mix salt. Disgusting taste. Like if you are bitter, be bitter. If you are sweet, be sweet. When you are now in between, like you're now tasting like weapon fashion against me, it's very bad. Like I almost threw up. Like what? Thank God I'm done. I'm done. That was my final appointment, like I said. Fluoride is a very ew. It's a disgusting taste. I won't say it's bitter, I won't say it's sweet. It's just disgusting. The taste is, it's not normal. That's what I think to rant about, yeah. So I actually started this vlog last week Friday. I know it's like 1 week, so today is Friday, so I'm ending the vlog today. I did not plan it, so this vlog is like all over the place, so please just manage. I hope you still enjoyed the little moments I was able to film, and I was having space issues as well, and that problem. But I still tried, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. You know we're all about vlogs and tips and tricks, right? So bye guys. See you in my next video. And see.